Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Acts 2020. I really am praying today and deciding for God to use this channel to change your life for the good and to believe again that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ask or think. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe for more weekly updates on Mad Acts 2020. God bless everyone, God cares.
Hello! Hello guys, good morning. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Nasaan man po kayo ng panig ng mundo. Magandang araw po. I hope you guys are all in a good shape. And I pray that God will meet your needs today. Yan. And pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon. And yes, today is Friday here at Qatar. Qatar, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Mad Acts 2020. If you are new to my channel, thank you for your support. Thank you for coming here and watching this kind of content. This content po ay transport ministry. A day of a transport ministry. Yes, and we make sure na before the pastor preach, before the song leaders sing a song, we make sure na mga kapatid ay nakadating na sa church ng sa amin ng pagsundo, paghatid. Yan ang ating pong ginagawa sa ministry natin. And yes, I can find joy being sa ganitong gawa, sa ganitong ministry. Truly it's a blessing din. Yes, it's truly a blessing. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga kapatid na they are eager din na maka-attend ng yung yung ano po sila, anong tawag dito, longing at nasasabik din sila na makapakinig ng salita ng Diyos. And kung ikaw din po na nakikinig ngayon sa oras na ito, I personally, yun lang, wala pala dito yung remote. Babalikan ko pa. Wait lang, balikan natin. Wala yung remote. I personally invite you po come to church, give a message